Hi, I'm Emma, and I work on the sports partnerships team here at Snap. Augmented reality is a natural addition to the entertainment sector, as it captivates and immerses audiences in new ways while providing incremental opportunities for consumers to interact with their favorite brands, teams, and events. Partners across the Snapchat ecosystem are investing in AR for distribution on Snapchat, where they can reach the millions of Snapchatters who are engaging with AR on our platform daily. And we're constantly striving to make AR as accessible as possible across a multitude of channels to ensure our partners can meet their audiences where they are. That's why we built Camera Kit, Snap's AR platform and SDK that supports the distribution of augmented reality beyond Snapchat into mobile applications, websites, and even to some of the largest screens on the planet. This year, we've made some very exciting progress and investments in this area to enable major brands to incorporate AR into their activations and enhance the fan experience. We have witnessed firsthand the power and value of AR to enhance in-person and live experiences across venues, stadiums, concerts, and live broadcasts. And we're excited to share some of the impact that augmented reality has had at live events in this session. It captivates fans and offers new way for audiences to interact with their favorite teams, entertainers, and content. As our AR ecosystem grows, we will look to scale our on-premise Camera Kit offering, expanding to new screens, platforms, and continue investing in the AR developer ecosystem, leaning on experienced creators versed in the nuances of AR development for big screens. In this session, we'll walk through a few examples of the partnerships we've invested in to date. We first launched our Camera Kit Live technology and capabilities through a partnership with the Los Angeles Rams for the start of the 2022 NFL season. Since then, we've been developing strategies to take this technology to the next level across sports partnerships. In an effort to engage their fans in new and innovative ways, the Los Angeles Rams partnered with Snap AR to incorporate augmented reality into their game presentation on the 120-yard-long infinity screen at SoFi Stadium. After installing the Camera Kit Live rig in their control room, the Rams were able to use several popular Snapchat lenses, like the viral cartoon, shook, and crying lenses, to surprise and delight their fans live throughout the game day experience. After successfully introducing select Snap AR popular organic lenses, Snap and the Rams expanded their Camera Kit partnership with branded lenses. This year, the Rams and Snap expanded their partnership yet again, collaborating with production powerhouse Meptic to make a splash with an interactive activation promoting Princess Cruises. The bespoke creative AR experience virtually flooded the SoFi Stadium, transforming the entire football field into the Pacific Ocean, complete with sea creatures, California beaches, and waves. Fans were invited to cheer on their favorite Rams players while they raced the surfboards to be the first to make it to the Princess Cruise Ship Winner's Circle. The experience marks Snap's first AR activation powered by technology from Disguise, a leader in the live event visualization and virtual production space. In May of 2020, the Rams became the first NFL team to create AR experiences on Snapchat, with a try-on lens that unveiled their new team uniform. Since then, the Rams and Snap have maintained an industry-leading partnership focused on making AR technology a larger and more significant part of the fan experience. We look forward to continuing our partnership with the Rams and building innovative AR experiences for the remainder of the NFL season and beyond. Barclays Center is another iconic venue that has integrated Snap AR technology into their video board to engage and excite fans during WNBA games for their home team, the New York Liberty. Given the extensibility of the Camera Kit Live and FanCam experience, the integration will be live for the Brooklyn Nets season. Seattle is known for being a tech hub, and T-Mobile Park has one of the largest fan experience screens in the league. So the Mariners were the perfect partner for our first MLB integration. Snap Fan Lenses are a great example of how innovation can create engaging experiences for fans while offering new opportunities for brand partners. We're excited to keep pushing this technology while exploring pathways to other channels that can surprise and delight more communities of fans inside and outside the ballpark. Now, Jess will share more about AR for music and broadcast.
Thanks, Emma. I'm Jessica, and I work on Camera Kit partnerships here at Snap. I'm thrilled to be with you at LensFest this year to share more about the new use cases Camera Kit is bringing to live events. Augmented reality isn't just about enhancing the sports industry and fan experience, it also provides an entirely new way for concert and festival goers to plan their festival schedule, experience the show, and connect with artists. Last year, Live Nation and Snap AR announced a multi-year partnership to bring the AR Compass and custom augmented reality experiences to some of the world's biggest festivals. This year, the Bonnaroo Music and Arts Festival incorporated Snap's Camera Kit Live AR technology into their two main stages to keep fans engaged and excited in the final minutes before each performance. Attendees had an incredible time interacting with characters and funny faces, as well as a custom Bonnaroo AR lens and logo that placed a character atop the user's shoulder. Reactions from the crowd were immediate, as festival goers whipped out their phones to capture themselves on screen. At the end of the Jumbotron experience, fans were given a QR code that drove to the festival's public profile on Snapchat, enabling incremental distribution and reach and giving consumers an opportunity to engage with the AR experience on their own mobile phones. For decades, English rock band Duran Duran has used new technology to enhance their live performances, and augmented reality is no exception. For their international tour, the band wanted to incorporate AR to amplify their connection with fans at live shows and events using a number of Snap-built lenses that relate to the feelings invoked by the songs throughout their set. Duran Duran are the first artists to apply AR lenses to both the band and the audience on a Jumbotron during live performances. Snap's augmented reality isn't just improving the live on-site fan experience, it's also enhancing the broadcasting industry. We've also partnered with leading entertainment companies to engage audiences around the world as they tune into their favorite events and shows. Augmented reality has given fans a new way to watch and interact with their favorite shows. Take Paramount, for example, who incorporated bespoke AR experiences into their broadcast of MTV's Video Music Awards, including a custom polling lens for at-home voting to engage viewers. The AR lens enabled users to select from multiple musical artists and vote in the Best New Artist category. The lens incorporated an API that enabled it to communicate the votes to Telescope, MTV's voting vendor. WWE is all about making innovative fan experiences a major part of their live events. WWE's biggest event of the year, WrestleMania, took place at SoFi Stadium on April 2023. Partnering with Snap AR and MediaNug, they built lenses that turned fans into some of their most popular WWE stars, including Miz, Roman Reigns, Cody Rhodes, and Asuka. The pre-match broadcasts aired on Peacock, and all associated live social channels featured a QR code to invite fans watching at home to participate. The broadcast ran for 2 minutes and drove more than 95,000 scans of the QR code. After such a successful initial launch at WrestleMania, WWE used Camera Kit Live once again for their SummerSlam broadcast. Augmented reality is a powerful way to create a more enjoyable and interactive live streaming experience for content creators and viewers alike. If you're interested in bringing custom AR experiences to your own live streaming platforms, you can do so through Snap's partnership with Amazon's interactive video service, which delivers high-quality, low-latency, or real-time live video at scale. In combination with Camera Kit, developers can quickly build compelling AR-powered live stream experiences to reach a global audience. Through Camera Kit, the scale of distribution for AR is boundless, transforming how fans cheer on their home teams and sing along to their favorite artists. None of this would be possible without our amazing community of augmented reality developers who build experiences that captivate audiences big and small. We can't wait to see how the power of AR and Camera Kit continues to transform the way we experience and interact with the world around us.